So do you know what today is? Famous Squad anniversary. Anniversary, yes. So do you know what today is? Famous Squad anniversary. It's our anniversary.
You some Texas, so you feeling? Give me some voice in the chat. Come on, you some Texas, so you feeling? Give me some voice in the chat. Don't know say famous squad, you don't know say brown buck, you don't know say the damn cash promotion, and you can't follow the thing. Drop in a Joe, man. Whoa, yeah. Big up yourself, damn master. It's a great thing to the name of his imperial majesty, the Emperor Haile Selassie. You know that for this place, a famous one thing, you know. I said I want to be the king, you know. You who's some Texas? You want to hear me? Listen. So they know my life from the Texas. So old, I'm right, they feel like the food, something that they can hold those. Pull up. Where's that? Okay. You. Fix it up, sniper. You ready? Yo. You see that now? Struggling all my life from the depths of the whole side, right to the line. Never leave all outside, I'm in my food, but get up on the cold outside. Hold no dice, you hold outside. In the night, when the phone is fucking locked in your clothes outside. Say, fucking me on the hold outside. I'm the effect of my meditation. Look up! So they go so. I'll never bring it right. The walls of the place was never seen a rise. Until I pull up. Pull up. And drop the next one. A 50 years anniversary, sure respect. Roots and Texas. And when you're a man, you're not still. So it's not some 100. And the night is 100. 100. And the rest of it on the 100. He doesn't know this and roots and Texas. We live in the 100 of them schools. Everything that them so easy. One might not make it up and make it. Everything that them so easy. In a hundred of them schools. Everything that them so easy. When I say good, you say great. Good, good, great. you know, tell the wicked and no